Good jump. Now do it again and count.
Okay, and baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come here, baby.
All right, do it again.
Sorry about your baby. Sorry about your baby.
Well, why are you apologizing? You just jumped on them intentionally.
You
gonna read Curious George to him?
All right, after you jump, count one more time and jump, and then I will read.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready.
All right, what do you tell your babies?
Last time.
Last time? All right, one more. And then I'm going to read.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.
Good jump. All right, tell everybody goodbye.
Goodbye.